When it comes to on-site inspection and repair of crushers, you don't need to do things the way they've always been done. There's a better way. TriStar Design and Manufacturing. With our custom tooling and systematic approach, you can do inspection work, main shaft replacement, and complete concave changeouts twice as fast and much safer. Our safety chamber, which is used to do weekly inspections, cut tramp metal, or replace wear liners, can be positioned in minutes without cleaning out the dump pocket. Using TriStar's remote control power shackle and spider hook, you can remove the spider and replace the main shaft safely from outside the dump pocket. Access stairs and a primary corral provide a safe solution for typical fall hazards. Dump pans and setting fixtures minimize crane lifts. Our setting fixtures include a leave-behind work platform for increased safety while installing liners. And they can be loaded and unloaded during off-peak hours. TriStar's work platforms, stands, and sawhorses also provide safe multi-level access and storage during rebuild work. Our proven torque bolt design crusher nut is available for all sizes and brands of gyratory and cone crushers. No more welding blocks or battering rams. Simply screw the nut down and torque the push rods for more downward force than the OEM models. And that's just the beginning of the many different integrated solutions we offer. All of them safety certified for all types of crushers and brands. That's why it's no surprise that TriStar tooling is used at some of the largest mines in the world. Dramatically improve safety while reducing costs and downtime. With TriStar Design and Manufacturing, the right tooling for the job. Need a problem solved? Contact us to discuss your needs, and please share this message.